Hi everyone, welcome to another property showcase from propertycozy.com. I am Tavia and I will be your property guide for today. Please remember to like, share, subscribe and hit the notification bell to be notified when a new property is available. Let's get into it.
Green Village Country Club is the first eco-friendly, family-oriented gated community in Jamaica. The homes are built with superior technology, making them insulated and constantly cool. This two-bedroom, one-bathroom house is tucked away in the quiet upscale community of Greendale. Close proximity to the highway makes commuting very easy. Outfitted with modern amenities such as a large swimming pool, clubhouse, and 24-hour security. The land area of this house is 2,447 square feet. Move your family into this new purpose built community and see how wonderful it is to live in harmony with nature. Guys, it's time to see this house. Please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 25 million or US $162,400. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.